is spider. So very amazing her color. She can camouflage by the nature. She looks like a dry or skin of the tree. Good camouflage. This guy is so very great. She waiting for a prey, waiting for an ambush, waiting for some meal. Think he was hungry, so take closer. Yeah, that guy. It's a little